Stock number 19427, a 2017 Lexus RX350 front end assembly inspection video. Our typical cowl cut, so through the windshield post, through the floor, behind the cowl, firewall. Take a closer look at everything. All in all, pretty nice front end. A little bit of damage here to the front bumper cover, it looks like. Otherwise, he's in good shape. Driver's side fender with the flare, no damage there. This is the HID headlights, not the LEDs. Has the headlight washer. Front bumper has the park assist. Fog light. Down here looks like some damage to the grille chrome surround, probably from the loader at the auctions. They certainly do a magnificent job of keeping the merchandise clean, don't they? Go. See, the grille has the park sensors, has the front license plate holder. That is of significance. Passenger side fog. Headlight, they're in good shape. Passenger side fender, nice, complete, no problems there. Take a look at the hood. No dings, no dents, no creases there in the hood. That is in good shape. Let's pop the hood open. As with all of our front ends, get your cooling. So you have your fan assembly, radiator condenser. This one has the radar here behind the grille. That is included. That is there. Kind of hard to see, but it is. There we go. It is there. Your under the hood plastics. In terms of your belly pan, the washer bottle, coolant res, fuse box assembly, your AC cooling lines, your radiator cowl plastic cover, headlight tabs, nice and complete there. This is the passenger side, nice and complete there. On the driver's side, again, headlight tabs are there and complete. All good. All right, stock number 19427, 2017 Lexus RX350 front end assembly in stock now.